Hi everybody. So today I received my Hobonichi order. I wanted to share with you what I bought. This is how it came inside of that FedEx box. These items came outside of the Hobonichi box, but I'm gonna start with these smaller items. I received two. Blue one. Cute. Okay. Skin taped. Okay, this is one of the pencil boards. The card album. Another pencil boards for the weeks. And then the covers. So I got two covers for the weeks. And then one hun cover. And one for the techo. Okay, this is the other pencil board. I'm gonna take this one out of the package. So you can see it better. Nice. And this is also my first video ever, so bear with me. It's my first time doing this, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh, this is so cute. So I ordered this for my boys' journal memory keeping that I do for them. And when I saw these pandas, I just knew I had to get it. I like the way that feels, but I won't be feeling much of it since I will put the cover on it. Okay, this is the other item I received. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, so I got this one, the weeks. How do we open this? Top. Okay. Oh, very pretty. So I will be using this as my faith journal. That's what this is for. And then this one is for the boys, the memory keeping. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, I ordered this is just like a notebook type of thing. This I'm planning on using. I'm using this for journaling, just faith journaling. What I might be taking to church along with the faith planner journal, or for general conference, any of that. Probably for general conference. I also ordered this one. I got the cousin size of the hun. This is my first time ordering the cousin, but when I saw that they had this hardcover on them, I wanted to try it for myself. Sorry about that. I'm taking forever to open this. It's really stuck on there. Sorry. Sorry about all that noise. Let me Oh, it's taking longer than I thought. Here we go. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. Ish, I love the way this feels. This is awesome. Beautiful. I love it. It also comes with a with a clear like pencil board. It has like a loop there for your pens, I believe. Beautiful. And then, okay, I'm a hot mess. I know. Okay, I ordered these, the refill for those, and then the 3 freebie pens. So yeah, guys, this is all I ordered. I just wanted to share what I bought with you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.